Hey guys, I hope you're all doing well. Welcome to another video. For today's video, I'm gonna make a video tutorial about Veed.io website. So I'm gonna show you how you can be able to edit using this website easily with free templates. But basically there are some features that you need to pay for, but instead of paying for some features, you can only use the free version that I'm gonna show you today. So for these templates, because you're gonna find this like yellow symbol, it's not for free, so we're gonna go to the free templates. Okay, so for this one it's for free, so let's start editing. Okay, so everything here is like ready for you. So all you need to do, for example, is to change the text. So let's say, for example, okay, I'm gonna change here the date. I'm gonna just write power. I'm gonna write randomly, okay? So don't take me seriously, but for you, when you're gonna design, try to write things correctly. Here, for example, you can write your Instagram page. Okay. Here you can change the image. You can use the animations. Okay. You can use the opacity like this. As you can see, you can remove it like this. So I think let's do it like this at 50%. Okay. You can replace the image, just click on this, and you can take it from your laptop. So for me, there is no need to do it, but for you, you can just click on upload a file and you can bring any photo, okay? And then you can use your audio, so you can use your song. If you have a song on your laptop, click on upload a file and you can upload your song or audio here, and also it's gonna like appear in this video or this template. And here you can add like subtitles. You can do it generated by AI, so click on auto, or you can make a translation, so it will translate everything that is said, okay, which is amazing. I really love these features. And here you can add media, okay, you can add anything from your laptop. Here search, you can search for clean audio, you can search for magic cut. Okay, so that's it, you can make magic cut. Okay, here you can add text. There are a lot of fonts. Seriously, there are some beautiful fonts for free. Like all of these fonts, they are amazing. So look at it. Okay, here there are elements. So let's see it. You can use this element. Okay, so I'm just adding anything. You can get these stickers. You can, if you're making something about memes, you can use these stickers. Yeah, there are a lot of beautiful things. If you want to tell to people to subscribe to your Instagram or your Pinterest, or to go to your LinkedIn account, you can use these logos. It's offered by Veed. Okay, which is amazing. Here you can record, just click on record, and you can record by using camera. You can record the audio, you can record screen. Okay, you can record screen and camera at the same time. It's exactly what I'm doing right now, which is amazing. Like for everyone who wants to start editing as a beginner, like this website is amazing. Also, you can find transitions that you can use. Okay, all of these are transitions. Okay, and yeah, these all the features that is here. You can edit all the templates that you're gonna find. So guys, this This was a great website, and when you're done, all you need to do is to click on done, and the video will be saved in your laptop, and you can use it in your like personal stuff. If you want to post it on YouTube or Instagram, or you just want to save it, it depends on you. So this was the video, guys. I hope it was useful to you, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.